The DARPA challenge is a new challenge that they've put out. We're one of about a dozen competitors in the program. So we're looking at underground terrains, one being a mine, which we are here at the Torrid Mine in Pennsylvania. The robots are also going to be going into an urban environment, like a subway station or some underground terrain in a city. And then eventually we'll be exploring caves.
So what are the end applications for these robots?
The end application is mostly search and rescue. We've all heard stories around the world of miners being trapped. Sometimes it takes days, and sometimes it's too dangerous to send humans into that environment. Our system consists of ground robots that will be able to track and follow the terrain until it gets to a point where it may see various spurs going off, perhaps some levels above or levels below. And we also have an unmanned aerial vehicle consisting of a hexacopter arrangement. The drone element gives us access to places that the ground robot can't go. We may encounter staircases that could be blocked with debris. And the challenge is to be able to get through a 1 meter by 1 meter opening. The instruments that the drones are carrying are stereo cameras, real-sense cameras. Those provide three-dimensional space information back to us, photographic information. We're also carrying Velodyne LiDAR systems that can map three-dimensionally the areas that the robots are nearby. And those maps can be fed back to the base station so that the base station user gets a real-time map display and is able to send commands to the robot if it needs to either change course, to launch the drone. For the most part, we don't know what we're going to see, so we need those instruments to be able to do that, as well as to locate artifacts, humans, and other things that may help us once we're inside the mine. Both of the drone systems, the ground robot and the flying drone, are completely autonomous. They have an intelligent autonomy mode where they use the feedback from the sensors, from the LiDAR, from the cameras to stay on a track and a heading that keeps them from running into things. The idea of having smart robots, intelligent systems that can go in there unmanned, collect information about what's inside, provide that information to the rescuers, and give them options for proceeding with the rescue is a big advantage, and it could save lots of lives.